Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I can show you my house squishy plus my yeah guys, just my friends. Listen, because it's just started. So I have slime because my friends. This one slime. This one slime is coin slime. I like this one slime better. So I got this my house. This first I got slime. Two I got this cable I got. So and that's we have to do squishy house. It's very nice. I just use it for the studio, right? Sorry about this. Yeah. So this one has lights in about So guys, thanks for watching my old video and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Bye bye.